Welcome back muli sa ating live. We're going to the third quarter.
Back to the ball game, sir.
Back to the ball game. Third period. Sino kaya papasok sa finals ng ating San Juan City Federation 2026 basketball? Number 4, short. Perip. Just 3 seconds left. 3 seconds to shoot. Running shot. Oh, inayabol pa ng San Juan Central. 34-31. Number 26, no good. Rebound. Makuha. Ayan na ang San Juan Central. 36-31. 5-point lead para sa Central. Number 7. Uy.
We acknowledge the presence of Nicanor Medina.
Knoxon. Out of bounds.
Magandang gabi din.
Random shot, miss. Pass to number 16, fake. Kick out. Pull up jumper, miss. Rebound by Lacson to number 7. Ay na, 3 against 2, number 7. Oh. There's a foul.
Foul number 4. First personal foul, first team foul.
Number 7 shooting 4-2. No good. Basket.
Seconds left to shoot.
Ayan. Uy! So good. Wala pa rin. Number 7 for 3, short. Rebound ng Central. Cabigon, top of the key for 3. 3-point for Cabigon. 39-32. Oops, he gets the
Foul
foul.
number 21. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Wala. Second shot by number 18. Wala pa rin. foul.
Foul number 21.
Time out, Pedro Cruz Elementary School.
Foul number 21, third personal foul.
39-32 in favor of San Juan Central. First shot, no good.
Double foul for jersey number 5 and
Double foul.
0.
Official score 39-33. Corner, jump shot. It's at 2 points ang daw po. Sabi natin official 41-33. Offensive rebound, miss. Rep.
And one foul number 76.
Foul number 76. Wala. Last touch. San Juan Central. Cabigon 4-3. No good. Pass to Cabigon from the corner. Too strong. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. 3 against 2. Number 7. Too strong. Offensive rebound. Pass to number 7, short. And gets a foul.
Amparo.
The number 28, Amparo.
Penalty.
San Juan Central under penalty situation. Robles on the free throw area.
Substitution.
Two shots for Robles. Wala. Basket is good for Robles, 36-41. Another steal. Robles pin. Wala, another rebound. Wala pa rin makuha ng San Juan Central. Number 14, up and under. Oh! Technical.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Mukhang technical dito ang Pedro Cruz. Basket count and one.
Jersey number 23, technical.
Bonus shot for Ramos. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And plus a technical ang Pedro Cruz. Wala. Oh, wow. 38-44. Number 23, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Ng Pedro Cruz. Robles. Nagmamadali. Ligay. Out of bounds.
Bola ng Asul. 4 minutes and 30 seconds left.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Seconds to shoot.
Oh, out of bounds. Number 7, block.
Single.
Robles, 4-3, no good. Save. Still by Robles, pass number 5 and gets a foul.
Foul number 27. 77. Substitution.
Hoy! No basket?
Substitution. Counted.
No basket daw po. Sabi natin mga official, 38-44. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Natin third quarter, Ramos 4-3, miss. Rebound by number 10. Pass to Adonis. Lacson to Robles. Robles, pinasa loob. Out of bound. That's a traveling.
Substitution.
Ay, di wala. Champion, oh. Good luck, good luck. Out that pass. Uy, was changing direction. No good. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Ayan na, 3 against 3. Steal by Ramos. Ramos, kick out. Umatake. Reverse layup. Walang tawag. Out of bound.
2 minutes and
Same ball tayo.
30 seconds left.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Substitution. Labas, pasok, pasok, labas.
Pick. Messi, out that pass. Ay na, number 18. Oh! Basket count and 1 for Trinidad. Orgalao.
Foul number 23, second personal foul. Penalty.
Mabasa 4 ang lamang ng Central at 44-40. 2 shots for Trinidad. That's jersey number 18. Missed offensive rebound ng Central. Charging foul by number 20.
First personal foul, third team foul. 10 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot.
Rep. Sorry, rep. Floater, wala. Number 18. Dalaw-gaw daw po ang kanyang apelido pero Trinidad ang nakalagay by jersey number 18. Number 27. Block. Same ball.
8 seconds left.
Pass. Nasa loob. Extra pass, number 29 and 1. By jersey number 29. 46-42. One shot for Central. Uy, wala. Steal. Number 28 and 1. Basket count plus a foul pero parang fire. Time remaining 1 minute and 6 seconds. Basket count and 1 for number 28.
3 minutes cool down. 3 minutes cool down.
That's Cuyos. Amparo shooting for 2 or a body shot. Counted daw, counted. Ramos.
7 seconds left.
4-3, wala. Uy, wala. Number 13.
15 seconds.
Out of bounds.
Single. 44
Last 44
seconds.
seconds. Number 10,
And
basket.
another.
49-44.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. Fake. Cross-court pass na Ramos.
5 seconds.
Uy, nabitawan. Last 16 seconds. 16 seconds left. Para sa ating third quarter. Number 6. Oh, nabitawan. 6 seconds. What a pass. Ramos. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official score 51-44 in favor of San Juan Integrated School or San Juan Central. Tingnan natin kung makakabol dito ang Pedro Cruz. Alright, sino kaya ang unang papasok sa finals? 44-51 ang ating talaan sa pagtatapos ng third period. Tayo na na sa ating fourth quarter. Maya-maya, good luck from both teams. Okay, back to the ball game. Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood at sa mga nag-share ng ating live. Maraming salamat. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, si Idol Adonis Lacson ang mag-i-inbound. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang kanyang team. Sa ating fourth, Robles, 4-3, no. Rebound ng Central. Nolasco, pinasa loob para extra pass, number 17, nabitawan. Oy! Gets a foul by Robles.
Foul number 7. First personal foul, first team.
Oh, steal! Number 18, miss. Another rebound and gets the foul.
Foul number 4. Second personal foul, first team foul.
First shot, no good for number 18. That's Trinidad. Second shot, good. 45-51 ang ating talaan. Nolasco setting on the play.
12 seconds.
Nolasco crossover. Oh, pass number 4. Running shot. Oh! Nakabawi ang Central. 26. Pass to Robles. Robles umatake. And that's a traveling violation. 45-53 ang ating talaan. 8 ang lamang ng Central. Ayun na, Nolasco. Fake, take a shot, no good. Rebound. Makuha ng another steal for Central. Nolasco with the ball.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nolasco, binigay sa corner, number 4. Pass to Nola. Number 16, 4-3, short. Robles, crossover, umatake, gets the foul.
Foul number 21.
Foul number 21.
Fourth personal foul, second team foul.
Time remaining, 8 minutes and 2 seconds. Robles shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Shoutout kay referee Jomar Pajares. Basket for Robles. 46-53. Nolasco. Oy! Last touch. For Nolasco. Robles. Nabitawan. Outlet pass. Nolasco. Fake para extra pass. Pass to Robles to number 4. Oy! Wala tawag. Time out. Ganda naman ang paeke doon ni Coach Dan. Time out dito ang Pedro Cruz. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Pedro Cruz. 46-55. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 26 seconds. ball game. Let's go. 55-46. 11-point lead. Oh, sorry. 9-point lead para San Juan Central. Robles. Uy. That's a foul, number 4.
Who's foul at?
For Robles. Wala.
Tama. Third personal foul.
Second shot, wala. Rebound by number 77. Dahil. Uy.
10 seconds. Foul number 5.
Foul number 5.
Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Basket. Jersey number 20. Number 46. 11-point lead for San Juan Central. Robles gets a foul.
Foul number 3. First personal foul. Warning.
Wala. Ayan, shoutout kay press namin maganda na si Jobel Kunanan. Basket for Robles.
7:56 sa 4 na lang.
10-point lead para San Juan Central. Nolasco. Oy. There's a foul.
Foul number 7. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Dan for yes, para sa Perez. For Coach Dan Nolasco. Ooh. Out of bounds.
Bina Batulisire.
Spin move, block. Rebound. Nolasco. Wow. Back-to-back basket para kay Nolasco. Coach Dan. Number 18. Oy, that's a foul.
Foul number 77.
Foul number 77.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Both team. Oh, sorry.
Substitution.
Central under penalty situation.
Pasok labas.
That's good. Second shot, miss. Rebound ng Pedro. Oh, sorry, that's Central.
5 minutes and 15 seconds.
Uy, hand check.
Foul number 5.
Number Tamang penalty ang Pedro Cruz. Wala pa. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Rep. Olasco, miss. Robles, basket. Nakalusot. Number 5, no good. Wala pa rin.
Foul number 77. Third personal foul, penalty.
Trinidad on the free throw area. Oy, wala ka. Ayan. Oh, what? Ito pala, oh.
Ramos. 10 seconds.
Last 10 seconds to shoot. Ramos, number 0. No good. Oh, he gets a foul.
Foul number 16. Second personal foul, penalty.
Shots for jersey number
Pakiusap
8.
po sa lahat ng mga players, manatili po tayong nakaupo.
First shot is good.
Foul number 7. Third personal foul, penalty. Tatlo na po si Robles.
Robles under third personal foul. Both teams under penalty. And a shot, basket. Riel lang sentral. 2 against 1. Ramos. Block by Robles.
Technical foul, jersey number 7.
Technical daw po ang Pedro Cruz.
Jersey number 7 for this one being foul. Double technical.
Shoot na. Shooting mo na. Shoot mo na. Shooting.
Dalawa, tatlong possession, di ba? Okay lang, ating bola! Ating bola!
Ramos, nilagay sa corner. Traveling violation. 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 18, basket for Trinidad. Steal.
Foul number 28. Offensive foul.
Steal. Out that pass. Number 14, Ramos. There's a foul.
Single. Foul number 28. For a personal foul. Apat. Penalty.
Number 13 showing the line. First shot is good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Wala.
Foul number 16.
Sarap ng araw.
Third personal foul, penalty.
2 minutes and 41 seconds. Crucial pito, kaya ka number 5. Oh, yan na, humahabol. Ang Pedro Cruz, let's go. Second shot, basket na naman.
Two minutes and 57 seconds left. Five seconds.
No good. Rebound and one.
Foul number
Wala
0.
daw pong foul. Wala daw.
Second personal,
2 shots lang daw
penalty.
po. First shot is good. Wala. Ang offensive rebound. Nakagagawa.
9
Sa
seconds.
ball.
2 minutes and 2 seconds left. Last 2 minutes.
Ramos, no good. And next. Running shot, no. Number 5, basket.
Talesa.
Will Ramos. Umatake, wala. Rebound. Ng Pedro Cruz. Number 18.
Galaw. Down.
Ay, galaw-gaw. 1 minute and 8.
Third personal foul.
That was third personal foul. Two shots para jersey number 8, 0. Basket yan. Up and under block. At dito na po, mahaba-haba pa yan. 45 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot.
No, Lasco. Using the glass, wala.
36.3 seconds left.
Last touch, same ball.
Bola ng Uber.
Last 36. Coach Dan. At dito na po nagtatapos
55 seconds.
Tawag na pare.
What a good game from both team. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations sa Pedro Cruz Elementary School and congratulations sa San Juan. Hey, shout out. Ayan. At ang nagwagi ang San Juan Integrated School at sila papasok. Ang unang papasok sa finals. Hey, shout out muna pare. Oy, shout out muna niya pare. Huwag lang ha. Patay, mga idol ko. Alright, our final score is 74-61. Manalo po ang San Juan Integrated. And our best player of the game, Ramos, jersey number 14. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at sa pag-share at follow me on Facebook. Kaya sa mga di pa nakapollow, please follow me on Facebook. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Next game po natin. Ayan, our next game. The Santa Lucia Elementary School versus the defending champion, ang West Crame Elementary School. Congrats sa nagwagi at silang mag-aabante sa finals, ang San Juan Integrated School. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat.